Ghost Town. Yo, what's up, guys? It is day 92 or 3 of the weight loss of my weight loss challenge / journey. A change in weight, but not just a change in weight, a change in lifestyle to incorporate weight loss, healthy eating, connecting to God more, committing less sins, stretching, getting stronger, and just being happier in general. So today I waited at 2. Sorry, I woke up early today and slept late. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. I waited at 2:03.5, so that's pretty good, I guess. Oh wait, no, yeah, that is so okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm out of it because for some reason I woke up 5:50 even though I slept 10 o'clock today. So I don't know. But now, yeah, no. So I'm weighing 203.5, which obviously is a big difference from 206 like 2 days ago. Like that's what 3.3. That's like 2.5 pounds, right? Yeah, it's like 2.5 pounds. Wait, no, that's 3 pounds. 3. Okay, I don't know. I'm so bad. I can't even do basic calculations right now. But yeah, I know. So, hey, I'm telling you, bro. Staying in that dorm, bro, and just going to school and eating this food there, it's just way, like, I just lose more weight just because it's just less. It's less food. It's more cardio. You know, and it's, yeah, you know, and I've gotten used to it. I don't know why on the weekends. I don't know. I think I'd be hungry on the weekends just because, like, I feel like once I eat, I should, first of all, I need to drink a bottle of water beforehand. And this is something my doctor actually told me back when I was a kid and I was like obese. Or I am still obese, but you know, and the doctor was like, oh, before you eat, drink a bottle of water, and then after you eat, have a drink water too. That'll like make you full, you know, so you're not as hungry, you know. And that actually can kind of trick your body into thinking you ate more than you did, you know. So I low-key need to start doing that. I was doing that for a while, but then I stopped. I think especially on the weekend, yeah, especially on the weekend. Yeah, because I don't know why I do. I mean, obviously I lose weight when I'm in the school, probably because the 3 days I'm in school is the time I do cardio days. So I don't know, but yeah. Yeah. So as far as, okay, I gotta double hand this wheel, bro. So as far as so that, oh my god, I'm sorry, I don't even know what am I doing today. Today I'm doing leg day. I'm doing leg day. What does that mean? That means I'm doing squat, and basically all the leg machines. So leg extension, leg curl, leg hip abduction, hip adduction. And I'm actually thinking of, I guess in the summer is when I'm gonna start adding workouts, because I feel like for the amount of time I have now, like I have school on Monday through Friday, so I feel like it's definitely better. Definitely better as far as the amount of time I have to do it, like, and the amount of workouts is good now. I don't want to add anything. Sorry, the clip from earlier cut out. I did not have storage, so it just kind of just stopped. That's why it stopped. But I had a good leg day. I'm not gonna lie, that was probably one of my better leg days in forever. So I go in, squat machine's taken up, but I'm like, you know what, it's chill. I stretch, stretch my legs, and then I see this guy's about to go out, and then another guy swipes it. And I'm like, fudge. So I just kind of do really deep stretches. And eventually, hurry up, Volvo, hurry up. Holy. So I do like deep stretches, and then the other guy on the other squat machine gets off. I immediately swoop it. I'm like, I'm not letting anybody take that spot, right? I remembered my lifting shoes, my squatting shoes this time. So, and I did 210. So I went up from 205 first set. Not gonna lie, first set was pretty good. I'll say throughout the sets, I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but I'm not gonna lie, I went pretty deep. Like I made sure to actually you know how they say or the A word to grass. I don't want to say it. I don't like to curse. But that's what I was doing, bro. I was making sure I put my butt all the way down. Make sure to look up, right? Breathe in before you go down, and then when you come back up, you breathe out. And I actually learned something. Right? Sometimes what I did, right, was I breathe in, right? And then go down, right? And then the times that I would give myself kind of a little break and just, do just multiple times just standing there holding it was actually the times that it was more difficult for me to actually do it. So I kind of learned, obviously there are some times if I need to catch my breath by doing 2 reps, but for the times I didn't really need to do that, it would have been easier to just immediately gone down after the first one. So hey, now I know that. But yeah, so 210, it was pretty good. It wasn't terrible. Yeah, it was kind of crazy. We had a bad push day yesterday, bench day, but we had a good leg day today. It's like last week it switched. Because the leg day wasn't terrible, but it wasn't the best. So let me put my light on. Do I have my light on? So yeah, and then after that I did leg extensions. So I did 190 pounds I actually did 12, and then I did 3. 12, 3, 12, 3. I wasn't able to do 15. I'm still not able to do 15. But I just made sure, to try to get it. I'm not able to do 15 in a row, so I did 12, and then I did give myself a little break, and then 3 to kind of, build kind of tolerance, so that hopefully next time we can do 15 in a row at 190 pounds. So that's the same as last week. And then I also did one-legged. I did one-legged leg extensions. I just did on my right and left. I 50 pounds or 60 pounds, and I just spammed it, just to really feel it, you know what I'm saying? And then I did leg curls. Now, here is the interesting part about what happened in leg curls. So I saw 105 I did last week. I'm like, all right, I did it for 12. So I'm like, all right, let me try to do it for 15. So I put it on 100, and I put 5, and then I low-key feel I'm slipping off of the thing because it's so heavy. And then I'm like, okay, let me maybe put the thing, when you do leg curls, there's a thing on your knees that presses, or on your thighs, I don't know what it's called, that presses you down. So I made sure to put it tighter, and I didn't move forward after that. So that made it better. And I wasn't really able to get full reps because it was actually 115. So I didn't realize, but I never moved, because it was originally at 110. I never moved it from 110 to 100. So I saw 110 and I just put it at 5. And then, it's not really my fault, because when you look down, if you quickly look, you can get it mixed up, So I was doing 115. So I was doing a higher, what is that, 10 pounds than what I did last week. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'm ready for that. It wasn't bad, but I definitely think 110 is I was about to do 105 again, but what this showed me is that next week I'm probably gonna do 110 and see how good that is. So And then after leg extensions, we had the hip abduction, which is the one where you go out. So the one where you go out, actually, wait, is it out or in? No, I think that's the in. Okay, the whatever is the easier one, which I'm pretty sure is in. Wait, out. That I did the same as last week, 180, and I did 180 for what did I do 180 for? I did 180 for 190, right? No. Okay, it's either, no, 180 for three sets of, I think, 12, so I didn't move up. But the easier or the harder one where you have to like put it in, that one I moved up, I think, 165. Yeah, I moved up 165. So I moved up by 5 pounds from 160 last week, so. And then that was like, that one was 3 sets of 12, I think, as well. Sorry, I'm actually so sleepy, bro. Like, I'm so sleepy. And then after that, guess what I did? I did cardio. I said, you know what, bro? Let me just do a little bit of cardio, because I know if I go home, my family sleeps, so I can't do cardio at home. And I know that I'm probably not gonna do it in the school, so I'll probably do it when I come home. But when I come home, I eat out with my family, or I guess I don't eat out, but I go out with my family, and oh my gosh, what is this fog? I go out with my family, and you know, I stream too, so I'm 100% not gonna do any cardio today if I don't get it done now. So that's what I did, you know. And yesterday I had the excuse of, oh, well, I didn't do cardio technically, but for my science class, we went outside and we like went on a long walk to a stream so we could kind of like analyze it, you know? So, I mean, that, I count that. I count that, definitely. But yeah. So I did, how many calories did you do? I did 350. I don't know if it'll be on the screen. I don't know if I'm gonna add that, but hopefully I do. It was treadmill, level 4 incline, 350 calories, and like I don't even know how much time. I'm gonna check that. I think it was like 30 minutes. I don't know. But yeah. So now I'm about to eat breakfast. Probably eggs and toast. So yeah.